all is good. Are you okay for camera, lady? I hope you are. Hey, look what you could have won. We are here, look. Hey, horrible bastard. When was that tsunami? Jesus, man. There's another one coming.
The moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can hold.
Look, we're here. We're into February. It's March now. We're at Christmas tree still up. And look who we have. He's back. He's back with a vengeance. Back from. Where have you been, Amanda? Where you been? Where you been? Smell for camera, where you been?
Kobakana.
Riot.
No, where do you go?
Riot?
What village?
Where your house is?
I want.
No,
here.
No, she's pointing at 52nd floor at Copacabana.
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 ข้าวผัดกะเพรา
Oh,
ข้าวผัดกะเพรา
Pad Kapow.
Kana.
I'll fight you for me caravan and me dog. Oh yeah. But anyway, yeah, they've had a great time. If you watch Cheap Dave in Thailand's videos, and also, and Tony in Thailand watch his videos. I'm breathing now. I breathe in. So lovely time in your house. Back in Rio.
With the pigeon shit.
Wait, pigeon shit, yeah, pigeon shit. So we are back in look. He's here, look, on Guffers.
He's a massage girl.
No,
I don't want that, mate. I don't want that.
So we're videoing. Hey, we're videoing. But we are still here, look. Wait, look. The only way is up in Thailand. What's that? Well, it is now sober cow.
I think the name Kobakana in the Thai food. ผัดกะเพราคะน้าหมูกรอบ
Pad Kapow. Look, we're off. Right. It's red hot. What time is it? Mr. Wilf? It is, I think it's getting on for 5:30. Or, as Mr. King, the vlogging legend, would say, 5:30. I'm not stealing his stuff. I've got shitloads of respect for that man. Top. What a top guy. Not everybody's cup of tea, but he's my cup of tea. Like my channel is not everybody's cup of tea. But, meanwhile, we are here, look. Living the dream. If you can see there, look, over there, somewhere there, he's been juggling. Sack the juggler. He was there about an hour ago, because me and Ant racked up there, and then Cheap Dave come, and Amanda couldn't sit where we were there because it was too hot. But anyway, look, hey, we've got our Kez. Who remembers Kez? What class film and book. So yeah, all is good. Are you okay for camera, lady? I hope you are. Hey, look what you could have won. We are here, look. Hey, horrible bastard. When was that tsunami? Jesus, man. There's another one coming. We're here. And we have mangoes. 3 kilo, 100 baht. It's all happening here. Cheap Dave just gone for a. He's gone for a pee-pee. So yeah, we're here. People getting massages. Massage. It's roughly about, I think 5:55. So we're off in sea, look. We're off. People in, I'm like, I don't go swimming. Sorry for I was waiting for big white shark to come. But yeah, oh, as you can see, look, another sunset with people swimming. I hate swimming. I've come in here for one reason alone. Your guess is as good as mine. It's £5 for a PP, but I'm not sure I would have made it because it was a bit of a trek. Bit of a trek, a bit of a shrek. So, look. Jet skis. Sunshine. Rushkies. Having fun. Well, the sun goes down. Right. We're done. I think we're done, look. We're done. I've got shorts wet. I'm not sure what was warmer. I'm not sure what was warmer. See, yeah, the old whatever. So, you know, this is life. Everyone enjoying themselves, look. Everyone enjoying themselves. We're back. We're back in the room. Well, we're not back in the room, really. We're back in the shade. Back in the shade. And we have our aunt there, look. See her, look. Where's Amanda gone? Amanda's gone exercising somewhere. Oh, she's always gone walking. Walking. That's not Amanda. But it's some Thai girl doing exercise, look. Muay Thai. There you are. Doing a bit of Muay Thai in front of the Jomtien market. Oh look, we've got Weekend Millionaire helping out, look. Bit of exercise. Let's go there. Where's our Amanda? Where's Amanda? Hey, pretty. Where are you, Amanda? I know where Cheap Dave is. Exercise for exercise. Meanwhile,
this is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up.